This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your Gmail account. Follow these steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into Gmail. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select See All Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Filters and Blocked Addresses. In the Settings menu, find the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click on this tab to view any existing filters that may be causing restrictions. Step 4. Review and modify filters. Look through the list of filters. If you find any that are automatically restricting emails, click on Edit next to the filter. Adjust the settings as needed or delete the filter entirely if it is unnecessary. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, be sure to scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. This will apply your new settings and disable any unwanted automatic restrictions. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable automatic restrictions on your Gmail account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gmail support for further assistance.